Okay, let's take a look at some more reflectance shaders. Let's go load up the reflectance shader library, and let's go load up the plastic shader. So see what parameters we can add. As you can see with the luminescence setting, which we've seen before, it affects the brightness of the material. Then the diffuse setting over here, shininess and specularity and specular color. Basically, you can use this shader to very quickly simulate plastic materials for objects. So let's turn a plastic material for object back over there. Then let's change the color to red. And then let's try changing the shininess maybe a bit lower. Specularity maybe a bit lower and diffuse a bit higher for the object over there. And then let's apply a different color to the one up front over here. Maybe let's increase the shininess this time and decrease luminescence. Let's do a scene render to see what it all looks like. As you can see, we can quickly generate plastic looking materials for our objects. Now another similar shader to the plastic shader is the Phong shader, so let's go load that one up. As you can see, it's exactly the same parameters as the plastic shader. The only difference is in the highlights. The plastic shader generates more plastic looking highlights. It's smaller and it's less diffuse than the Phong highlights over here, as you can see. So let's try the Phong setting. Basically the luminescence setting, diffuse, shininess, specularity, and specular color again. So let's apply some different variations to our objects to see what we can come up with. And then let's try increasing the shininess and the specularity and apply it to our object over there. And let's try decreasing the shininess, increasing specularity, increasing diffuse, and decreasing luminescence. Do a scene render. There you go. The Phong shader is pretty general purpose. You can use it for a lot of stuff. Now, if you want to do even more stuff with it, what you want to do is load up the calligraphy Phong shader over here. As you can see, we have 3 extra parameters over here. We have the reflection setting, which allows us to set the reflection of the object, the transmission setting, which allows us to set the transparency basically of the object, and then the refraction setting. The refraction setting only works when the transmission setting is used, because refraction shows how the light refracts through the object. So let's apply this to our object to see what it looks like. Let's apply that to there. Let's apply one with no transmission and no refraction to our object over here. And let's change the reflection for the object back over there. Let's do a scene render to see what it looks like. And there we go. Try it out and see what you can come up with. Generally, I use the calligraphy Phong shader a lot because you can do a lot of different shader effects from it. So try filling with the settings and see what comes up.